Today I'm going to be reviewing Lrly's portable quality electric brush. This is what it looks like. I've got a little honey bottle here just to show you the size, 72 ounce. This is actually what it looks like. It's pretty substantial. It is plastic on the outside. It does come with another white brush, and then it has the metal brushes. All you do is you just turn it on, and there you go, and you can clean your grill. Pretty nice. It's got a nice little guard there, and it's really easy to switch out. Just twist this off, and then this comes off, and this brush will slide off, and this one can go on. This even comes off too for easy cleaning. You can put this under water, or you can put it in the dishwasher. Again, let's just take another look at this, what it looks like. Another really cool feature, look, it's rechargeable. It even comes with a little cord, so no batteries needed. Should last a good amount of time. I think if you're looking for a grill brush, something that will help get all the stuff off, this will do it. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.